अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
Jai Shri Ram. My dear friends, in Satya Sanatana Dharma, we have the concept of karma. So, karma is quite complex. Today, I will try my best in my humble way to break down karma into 3 parts. So, karma essentially means action. Every action has a reaction. So, based on our karmas, our actions in previous births, we are placed in a given situation. So, in Sanatana Dharma, we have karma, we have dharma, and also we have reincarnation. These 3 are 3 of the most important teachings, the bedrocks, so to speak, in Satya Sanatana Vedic Dharma. So based on our actions in the past, we are placed in a given situation. My friends, at the time of birth, no one had the choice to choose which country you will take birth in. Who will be your parents? How many brothers and sisters you will have? What will be your physical features? What will be your accomplishments in this avatar or in this life? Those are bound by karma. So when we look at karma and you understand karma is a fact of life, it's not a belief system. So the actions we perform in the past created a present context. Now the actions we perform now, they're called agami karma. The actions we perform now, these actions will be deposited into the sanchita karma, which is this huge spiritual account we have. So agami karma is the actions we perform now. For example, let us take an example. You help someone to cross the road, an elderly person. Having performed that action of helping the individual, there is an immediate joy that you have done something good today. That's the immediate joy or the immediate effect of karma you will experience. Then also there will be something deposited for you in your sanchita account to experience something good in the future. So that's agami karma. Now, when these karmas are deposited into the sanchita karma, one life is a withdrawal from that karma, from that pool of karma, and they're called prarabdha karma, the things we experience in this given life. And please note, we don't get to choose which karmas we take from that pool of karma, sanchita karma. That is why Bhagavan is called karma phaladata. Bhagwan gives us the fruits of our actions. In Sanatana Dharma, please remember, my friends, Bhagwan or God does not punish anyone. We create our destiny through karma. So the things we experience in life, be it happiness, sadness, gain, loss, victory, defeat, whatever experiences we go through in life, it is as a result of our karmas in the past. So if the present context is not good for us, let us perform karmas, good karmas, so that we can create a better future. Please understand also, my friends, that the goal is not to perform karmas and experience them and continue the cycle of birth and death. The goal is to free ourselves from all karmas. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, verse 47, karmanyeva adhikaraste. Your goal is to perform karma, but do not lay claim to the fruit of the actions you perform. Why? One will be bound to the fruits of those actions, and that causes reincarnation or causes many, many births in the future. Let us continue to perform karmas. They're called nishkam karma, free of all attachment. Boliye Krishna Chandra Bhagavan ki jai. Jai Shri Ram. On behalf of the Bhaktas of Sankat Mochan Hanuman Mandir, I would like to thank you for your continued support. We had a beautiful celebration of Shri Navaratri and Shri Ram Navami at Sankat Mochan Hanuman Mandir. Devotees came from far and near. So on behalf of all the bhaktas, we would like to thank you for your continued support. Next, we shall show you some clips from our Navratri and Ramnavami celebration.
तुम अपने रंग में रंग लो हे माँ दुर्गे, तुम अपने रंग में रंग लो हे माँ दुर्गे, तुम अपने रंग में रंग लो हे माँ दुर्गे, हे माँ दुर्गे, हे माँ दुर्गे, तुम अपने रंग में रंग लो हे माँ दुर्गे, तुम अपने रंग में रंग लो हे माँ दुर्गे। जो दुराचार थे मान का, वध तूने किया माँ सदा है, अस्त्र शस्त्रों से है तो सुशोभित, माँ तो ही तो बल प्रदा है, तेरे ही चरणों में है तीनों लोकों का संगम, तेरी भक्ति ही सत्य है सब मिथ्या है, तेरी भक्ति ही सब मिथ्या है, सब मिथ्या है, सब मिथ्या है, तुम अपने रंग में रंग लो हे माँ दुर्गे, तुम अपने रंग में रंग लो हे माँ दुर्गे, हे माँ दुर्गे, हे माँ दुर्गे, तुम अपने रंग में रंग लो हे माँ दुर्गे, तुम अपने रंग में रंग लो हे माँ दुर्गे। माँ तेरे दम से है जीवन, सुख का आधार सबका ही तो है, इस धरती से उस अंबर तक जो भी श्रृंगार है माँ वो तो है, रंग रंगीले रंगों से माँ रच दे जीवन सबका, मानव ही तेरे सबसे उत्तम रचना, मानव ही तेरे सबसे उत्तम रचना, उत्तम रचना, उत्तम रचना, तुम अपने रंग में रंग लो हे माँ दुर्गे, तुम अपने रंग में रंग लो हे माँ दुर्गे, हे माँ दुर्गे, हे माँ दुर्गे, तुम अपने रंग में रंग लो हे माँ दुर्गे, तुम अपने रंग में रंग लो हे माँ दुर्गे, तुम अपने रंग में रंग लो हे माँ दुर्गे।
जन्म सफल होगा रे बंदे, मन में राम बसा ले, मन में राम बसा ले, बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम, बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम। हे राम नाम के मोती को सा सो की माला बना ले, मन में राम बसा ले, बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम, बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम। राम पतित पावन करुणा कर और सदा सुख दाता। बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम, बोलो राम जय जय राम, बोलो राम। हे राम पतित पावन करुणा कर और सदा सुख दाता।